Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Lac-Saint-Paul is a charming village, located in the Laurentian Mountains of Quebec. Nestled along the shores of the lake that shares its name, this community offers a peaceful retreat, surrounded by natural beauty. Historically, the Laurentians have been known for their vast forests, and logging played a significant role in shaping local communities like Lac-Saint-Paul. Today, this area is better known for its outdoor recreation, attracting visitors looking for hiking, fishing, and paddling adventures. The nearby forests and lakes are home to diverse wildlife, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers. The village is surrounded by notable landmarks, including Lac des Bleuets to the northeast and Lac Castor to the north. It's also just a short drive to Mont Saint-Michel and Fermeneuve, neighboring towns with their own unique attractions. Whether you're here to enjoy the tranquility of the lake or explore the scenic Laurentian region, Lac-Saint-Paul offers a slice of Quebec's natural and cultural charm.
Thanks for watching!